Model, 63-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 Maxi Life DSG Automatic 1.6TDI 102PS Disability Ramp Crew Cab Genuine 75k Low Miles Bargain. Body, black, MPV. Mileage, 75,941. MOT, the 27th of August 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6TDI 102PS. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. There is a gearbox error message on the dash, and the gears are flashing along with the spanner light. Not sure exactly what's wrong with this as it still starts and drives exactly as it should. Thinking face starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740 1